I'ma head out then.
Big moves, I'm that dude. Bet I see you from the top, yeah, real soon. Looking down on the haters that I've been through.
What you been up to, man?
Not much. What you been up to?
Man, moving around. You know how we gotta keep it going.
Absolutely. I do my excess power sundown thing every day and
There's it.
play on the weekends.
There's it. What you running here now?
3 Sundown 18 UV1s on a JP83, XMAX 90, Super Bank under the hood, 370 McMahon.
Yes, sir.
I can't hear you. Hold on. Hey.
Yeah, you upgraded since last time I seen you. Yeah.
A little bit.
Yeah, it's cutting up. You got the wood roof up there to stop.
100% no deadener, 100% stock cabin.
Doing pretty good.
Yeah, today it done its best. I still ain't got to play with it much, but it did a 59.
Oh yeah. That's pretty good.
I'm pretty happy with it so far.
What kind of battery you running on here? Because I know it's
a XMAX 90.
okay. It's the new one.
The DIY, correct.
Yeah.
I was running a stock alternator, and 170 amp alternator, demoing just like that was 13.1.
Yeah.
And now it's 14.1.
So no problem.
None at all.
And the voltage was staying up the whole time.
Oh yeah. I mean, I think we dropped to 14.1 was the lowest.
It was still good.
Cruising 14.5 all day.
No problem.
None. This battery's the truth. I bought this before I even went to work for Excess.
Yeah, you had before then.
Like, I invested at full price,
you had
full heart.
You had that before you built the wall, didn't you?
Right.
Yeah.
I was scared of lithium, and this battery, they sold me. That 4-year warranty really sold me.
Yeah. Now that's I didn't know I had that long of a warranty.
Yeah, 4-year warranty on those.
And it's small.
Yeah, it's the size of a Group 31, weighs 23 pounds.
You got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.